Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpan here, and welcome to another product review. This product review is going to be a rolling stock that I do have plenty of these on my layout, but I just never did a review on these before. So, what we have here are, I have 4 of them, because one's already unboxed. I have 4 Bowser 100-ton coal hoppers. This one I believe is an older release from a while back, and these are probably much new ones with the new style of packaging, because you can see the way how they package the rolling stock, the hopper inside. So I have 4 of them. So I got Southern Pacific with the speed letters, BN, which is the new image, BNSF with the circle logo, and CNW, which I believe this is actually an older run. So I actually picked these up at my local hobby shop because they had a rolling stock sale, so I was able to pick for like 20% off all rolling stock. So I was able to pick up a few of these. So anyways, they're really nice, and I really love these 100-ton co-opers. So we'll be doing a review on them real soon. So as you can see, I got one unboxed, but already. So without further ado, let's begin with the review. Alright, so unboxing is fairly simple, because you know, you just pull it out like this, and then there it is, it just slides right out. And as you can see, this is a new style of packaging that they did, which is basically they just put like wrapped plastic around it just to keep the model safe while it's in shipment. So I'm not sure that what's the best way to open them, but I'm gonna try. So it just slips up from right here. And there it is. There's what the hopper looks like. So it's very nicely detailed, really nice hopper. So I'm going to get this onto the tracks, and we'll begin the review of this Bowser 100-ton coal hopper. Alright, so here's one side. As you can see, it's got some pretty nice molded in details, because you can see the steps are molded in, which doesn't really bother me. It's also got the brake wheel, which is nicely done. The KD coupler right here, it's very nice. Metal wheels on the bottom, some great detail wise. It's got lots of good details, especially with, you know, like builder's plate and all that. The letters. And here's the other side. As you can see, it has 3 rolling wheels. As you see, it rolls like that. So I'll just bring it back here. Very nice detail on the trucks. The 100-ton trucks are very nicely detailed. Sorry, I keep getting my shadow in the way, but here I'll zoom in on the trucks for you. Sorry, I just need my camera to focus. There you go. Very nice detail. I mean, as you know, the bearing caps do not rotate, because basically this is just a ready-to-run freight car, not fully detailed. So anyways, that's what it looks like, and I'll show you the interior. As you can see, the interior has some pretty good detail, especially these. You might want to be very careful with these, because these things can be pretty fragile, and they can break if not handled easily. So that's basically where you put the coal load inside, or any load you choose to desire. So there it is. It's very nice. It's a really nice car. I'll show you the other side. Same as always. It's a super nice car, freight car. Anyway, and you know, molded detail wise, it doesn't really bother me. And here's some more details you can see. Hang on, let me just do lots of great detail here. And then I'll show you what it looks like the underside. You see, here's the underside. As you can see, it's got lots of good detail. And then the coupler covers, trucks detail wise. You see the cup right here, trucks wise, and it even says right here, Bowser made in the US. So yeah, so that's basically this is actually probably one of my favorite freight cars that Bowser has ever done. So, man, because it's actually a modern freight car, and you still see a lot of these out in the rails so far. So, anyways, it's a really nice freight car to have in your editions. It's not very expensive, but I got this one for like $28.98, but luckily they gave me a 20% discount since it was on the weekend. So, anyways, it's a very nice car, and would definitely recommend having these if you have like a modern era layout. So, anyways, that's basically gonna do with the review. So the next thing I'm gonna do is unbox the rest of the 4 I recently bought at my local hobby shop. Alright, so now here's all 4 of them, of the 100-ton hoppers I have out. So we can start off with BNSF, with the orange, with the circle logo, Circle Cross, and Southern Pacific, the speed letters, which I'm not sure if any of these exist in real life, because, you know, I haven't been able to find prototype pics of these lately. And C&W, which, because as you know, the C&W is an older one, so as you can see, this one has plastic couplers, which I think, or basically older style couplers. As you can see, these ones are being black and this one's brown. So I'm not sure if these are plastic or not. So anyways, and there's the BN. So there's all the 4 hoppers I have. They look absolutely very stunning and perfect for any like modern era trains, or especially or maybe around 90s or whatnot. But anyways, I'm really glad with how these turned out. They have really good detail, and I really love the 100-ton hoppers because I have plenty of those, you know, like some Walters. I also have some Bachmann, and then some Bowser ones. So, anyways, that's gonna do for this video. I'll leave you guys with a little run by of these in action, and I'll see you guys next time.